All right, guys, welcome back. We are back here at Timber Ridge in Gobles, Michigan. And today is a huge powder day. I think we got 4 to 6 inches last night, but we are going to do a lot of downhill skiing. We are also going to do a lot of park skiing today, so let's get into it. Here we go. It is super windy out here too. Yep. All right, we're on. There's so much powder. This is gonna be so much fun. All right, at the top of double, we're gonna get our legs warmed up real quick before we hit the train park. So we're gonna head down Oak over here. And it's very slow. Very, very slow. I'm not used to this. You know, it's natural made. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Let's do it. Let's see how it goes. There's so much out here. Thank you. All right, back at the top. Let's do the same thing again. That was fun. The snow is so much more limiting. Look at all this. Gosh. So sick.
Put me in your video! At that sports stuff on YouTube!
Thank you. Alright, let's get over to the train park. I don't know how this is gonna go. Probably gonna do a lot of walking. Birds Road is not open, so we're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna get over. Probably just gonna go down here and then try and cut across. So limiting, I can't get over there. All right, let's do it. First run-in of the POW day. Let's do it. Oh, big landing. Dude, how am I gonna get any speed? Yeah, that rope's slippery. I don't know how long I'm gonna last on this rope. Oh yeah, that was huge. You gotta be careful.
You hitting a double backy?
Yeah, right. There's not enough room to do that. Let alone hit one backflip. Alright, let's do a 360. Knuckled it a little bit, but we got it. Oh, we're good, we got it. Yes, double is still not open. That's actually a huge bummer. We can use all the speed we get from this, spin it around, and see what line we can get to try and do it. There's just not enough speed though. Come on. If we got some speed, we're good. I think we'll make it pretty far. Alright, let's cut to getting on the triple. Thank you. Alright, we were at the top of triple, the slowest chairlift I've ever been on, and we're probably gonna ride it back up. I don't know, I was kind of getting sick of the training park. It was fun, but like I don't know, it was whatever. Let's do it. Oh, how am I gonna get out of this? Alright, back at the top of triple. Let's head down to the terrain park and let's have some fun down there. Here we go. Look at all the powder in here. Alright, last run. Let's see what we can do here. What's 360 to end it? I can go any faster. There we go. Good ending. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next week. The sports stuff.